that motto. Try and fail, but you will never fail to try. Once again, Queen number 13.
Here's your question. In what way can LGBTQIA+ individuals contribute to nation building and development?
As a proud diploma in midwifery at the University of the Philippines, I would raise awareness like HIV, in order for us to arouse what the reality truly is. And to development should focus on equality, inclusion, and respect for all individuals' rights, regardless of our identity. Because we are Tampacanos, we are warriors of love. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are
But when I look at them, I see something else. I see broken homes and unhealed ones, and young souls who were never truly heard. I live near them, I've talked to them, and behind every doe faces is a story. A boy who steals because he's hungry, a girl who got pregnant because no one taught her about love or self-worth, a student who joined GAM because that was the only place that he can felt accepted. That's why I stand for Sukarap Empowerment, because my advocacy is to transform pain into purpose through mentorship programs, values formations, workshop, and community-based project. Thank you.
If chosen as ambassadors of LGBT, how would you support and protect the right of the LGBT?
As a diploma in midwifery again, I would implement the HIV awareness and sanitation hygiene in our community, including the secluded area here in our municipality, in order for the Tampakan can say more strong, more compassionate, and more progressive community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Queen.